Welcome to HealthVibes, where we help you stay strong, active, and independent as you age. Today, we are talking about the top 5 foods that can rebuild leg strength naturally. Have you ever stood up and felt your legs shake, even after simple daily activities? Many people believe weak legs are normal with age, but that belief quietly steals independence. Studies show leg strength declines after 40, but food choices can slow this loss greatly. Weak legs increase fall risk, and falls are a leading cause of injury in older adults. But here is the hopeful truth most doctors forget to mention during short clinic visits. Your legs respond powerfully to the right nutrients, even after 60 or 70 years. Today, I will share 5 everyday foods that quietly rebuild leg strength from inside. These foods support muscles, bones, and nerves working together like a strong team. Stay until the end, because the final food surprises most people watching this video. Food number 1, eggs, the muscle repair champion. Let me tell you about Ahmed, who struggled climbing stairs after turning 65. His doctor mentioned protein, but never explained how muscles truly rebuild after damage. Eggs contain complete protein, meaning they provide all amino acids muscles need. One large egg offers about 6 grams of protein with powerful muscle-building nutrients. Egg yolks also contain vitamin D, which supports leg strength and balance. Research shows seniors eating enough protein maintain leg power longer than others. Eggs are easy to chew, affordable, and simple to cook in many ways. Eating eggs regularly can reduce muscle loss called sarcopenia as you age. Have you noticed leg weakness improving when you eat more protein-rich foods? Food number 2, spinach, green fuel for strong legs. Spinach looks simple, but it hides nutrients your legs desperately need every day. It is rich in magnesium, which helps muscles relax and contract properly. Low magnesium levels are linked to muscle cramps and leg weakness. Spinach also provides nitrates that improve blood flow to leg muscles. Better blood flow means more oxygen reaches your legs during movement. A study found leafy greens improve muscle efficiency in older adults. Spinach also supports bone strength, reducing fracture risk during falls. You can add spinach to soups, eggs, or smoothies without strong taste. Do your legs feel tired quickly during walks or simple household work? Food number 3, salmon, the anti-weakness protector. Salmon is not just heart-healthy, it protects leg muscles from silent damage. It contains omega-3 fats that reduce muscle inflammation and soreness. Inflammation slowly weakens muscles, especially in knees, thighs, and calves. Salmon also provides high-quality protein supporting muscle repair after daily use. Vitamin D in salmon helps improve muscle coordination and leg balance. Research shows omega-3 intake improves walking speed in older adults. Salmon may also protect nerves that control leg movement and strength. Eating salmon twice weekly can make noticeable leg endurance improvements. Have you ever felt leg pain without injury, especially after resting periods? Keep your legs stronger together. Before we continue, take 1 second to support your future mobility today. If this information feels helpful, please like this video to spread awareness. Subscribe to HealthVibes for simple health guidance made for real people. Comment below where you feel leg weakness most, knees, thighs, or calves. Your comments help others realize they are not alone in this journey. Food number 4, sweet potatoes, energy for movement. Many people eat less when aging, but legs still need steady energy. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates that fuel leg muscles safely. They release energy slowly, preventing sudden weakness or fatigue. Sweet potatoes are rich in potassium, which prevents leg cramps. Low potassium can cause shaking legs and painful nighttime cramps. They also contain antioxidants that protect muscles from aging damage. Vitamin A in sweet potatoes supports tissue repair and recovery. They are soft, easy to digest, and naturally satisfying. Do your legs feel heavy or weak when energy levels drop suddenly? Food number 5, yogurt, the bone and muscle ally. Strong legs require strong bones, not just strong muscles. Yogurt provides calcium that keeps leg bones dense and supportive. It also contains protein that helps muscles stay firm and active. Probiotics in yogurt improve nutrient absorption for muscle health. Poor digestion reduces how much protein your body actually uses. Low calcium increases fracture risk even from minor falls. Yogurt also contains vitamin B12 supporting nerve signals to leg muscles. Regular yogurt intake improves balance and reduces leg-related fall risk. Have you noticed better strength when digestion feels smooth and comfortable? Summary: your legs can grow strong again. Weak legs are not a life sentence, they are a warning sign. Your body still listens when you give it the right support. Eggs rebuild muscle, spinach fuels movement, and salmon fights inflammation. Sweet potatoes restore energy, while yogurt protects bones and nerves. Small food changes today can protect your independence tomorrow. Ignoring leg weakness increases fall risk, pain, and lost freedom. But choosing wisely gives hope, strength, and confidence with every step. If this helped you, share it with someone struggling silently. Watch our next video to learn simple daily habits that restore leg strength fast.